Anoma just launched the Resource Machine, the biggest upgrade for blockchain privacy and user experience we've ever seen. You've probably heard that EVM revolutionized blockchain by bringing smart contracts and decentralized applications. The catch is that EVM-style virtual machines only understand step-by-step transactions that get processed sequentially on-chain. That's great for blockchains updating global state, but terrible for humans. Users have to think like developers, learn arcane flows, and click through 10 steps just to do one thing. It's like going to a restaurant, and instead of ordering a meal, you have to hand the chef the full recipe and cooking sequence. On top of that, today's virtual machines give you almost no privacy. They tie apps to a single chain, and they rely on a single shared global state that is expensive and hard to scale or upgrade. The Anoma Resource Machine, or ARM for short, is a next-generation virtual machine at the heart of Anoma's distributed operating system. Instead of processing low-level transactions, the ARM is designed from the ground up to process intents, user-defined outcomes, and constraints. To do this, Anoma introduces a new state model called the resource model. Resources are atomic units of state inspired by Zcash-style commitments and nullifiers, and they can live anywhere, on any chain, any node, or even on user devices. Resources give you full control over who gets to see your data and for what reasons. This unlocks native privacy-preserving applications built directly on top of existing chain infrastructure, without the chains needing any extra support. Developers can ship shielded transfers, private trading, or other fully private flows across all assets straight out of the box. The ARM comes to existing chains through protocol adapters. These are smart contracts that implement the ARM and plug it into existing virtual machines like the EVM. Developers can build private, intent-centric applications that run natively on every chain with a protocol adapter, using existing assets, contracts, and liquidity, but with industry-leading privacy and native multi-chain support. The ARM is the missing link that lets Web3 apps be private, intent-driven, and multi-chain by default, so they can finally compete with Web2 on both functionality and user experience.